Today's problem from limit of function, and this is a special type of limit, and the problem is if limit extends to 0, sin x plus a1 into e to the power x plus a2 into e to the power minus x plus a3 into log of 1 plus x is finite. Find the value of a1, a2, a3. So it is given that this limit is finite, so the limit exists and the value of this limit is finite. We have to find the value of a1, a2, a3. Okay, this is a beautiful application of L hospital rule, right? And here, since the limit is given by the finite and the numerator at x equal to 0 is 0, because limit x tends to 0, x cube, this is equal to 0, and the limit is finite, so we must have to take the limit of the denominator, limit of the numerator must be tends to 0 as x tends to 0. So we write here, since limit is finite and limit x tends to x cube, this is equal to 0. So by using L hospital rule, we must let limit x tends to 0, sin x plus a1 into e to the power x plus a2 into e to the power minus x plus a3 into log of 1 plus x, this is equal to 0. Okay, and this limit is given by 0 plus a into e to the power 0 means a1, and a2 into e to the power minus 0, this is also a2, and log 1 plus 0, that is log 1, so this is 0, and get 0, this is equal to 0. So we get the first relation a1 plus a2, this is equal to 0. We name this relation is relation number 1. Now using L hospital rule, we can write the given limit. This is equal to limit x tends to 0. We differentiate numerator and denominator separately and getting the result as cos x plus a1 e to the power x minus a2 e to the power minus x plus a3 by 1 plus x by this term, the derivative of x cube, this is 3x square. Again, we see that since limit x tends to 0, 3x square equal to 0, so to get 0 by 0 form, we take limit x tends to 0, this term, that is in the numerator, must be equal to 0. So this is cos x plus a1 e to the power x minus a2 e to the power minus x plus a3 by 1 plus x, this is equal to 0, and this gives the result as 1 plus a1 minus a2 plus a3, this is equal to 0, and we write this is a1 minus a2 plus a3, this is equal to minus 1, and we name this relation the relation number 2. Okay, now again we use L hospital rule, and the given limit is given by limit x tends to 0. The first term is again sin x but minus sin x plus a1 e to the power x plus a2 e to the power minus x minus a3 by 1 plus x whole square by this is 6x. because the derivative of 3x square, this is equal to 6x. Okay. Now we repeat the same rule. Now to get 0 by 0 form again, we take limit x tends to 0, the upper term, that is in the term minus sin x plus a1 e to the power x plus a2 e to the power minus x minus a3 by 1 plus x whole square. This is also equal to 0, and this relation gives this is 0 plus a1 plus a2 minus a3, this is equal to 0. So we get a1 plus a2, this is equal to, a1 plus a2 minus a3, this is equal to 0. Okay, and we name this is the relation number 3. Right. Now we have to solve relation number 1, 2 and 3 and getting the value of a1, a2, a3. We first put the value of a1 plus a2, this is equal to 0 here. So we get a3 minus a3, this is equal to 0, that is a3 equal to 0. Okay. Now a3 equal to 0 implies a1 minus a2, this is equal to minus 1, and solving this and this we get 2a1, this is equal to minus 1, so a1 this is equal to minus half, and a1 equal to minus half, so a2 this is equal to plus half. So we get the value of a1, this is equal to half, a2 this is equal to, this is minus half, this is plus half, and a3 this is equal to 0, and these three are the value of a1, a2, a3, and this is the final answer.